January, a month of biting frost and whispered winds. Most of the garden has retreated, surrendering its vibrancy to the winter grey. Yet, standing defiant amidst the stillness, we find a splash of crimson, the Nanten. In the West, it is known as heavenly bamboo, but in Japan, its name carries a weight far beyond its delicate appearance. Nanten, a play on words meaning to turn difficulties into luck. A botanical charm against misfortune. As the sun dips low, the Nanten remains, a small, vibrant flame of hope, reminding us that even in the heart of winter, the cycle of life remains unbroken.